Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, Halloween, any kind of other special event, did I discover the ultimate decoration tool for the lazy or time-efficient person? Let's find out. So hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I think I've discovered the ultimate decoration idea for somebody who just wants to be time efficient or wants to have that special something to just ramp up every single mood. So that's probably got you guys wondering right now, what's in the box? Hey, before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you have been to this channel at least one time before, that means that this is your second time and you are still not subscribed. Obviously, you're enjoying this content. Obviously, YouTube wants you to see this content because you're seeing it again. We have a lot of return visitors, but we're not getting the subscribers like we hoped we would. We're counting on you to subscribe so we can make better content. So, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and the bell. This algorithm will just get blown out of the water and it'll just tell the whole world, I like this video. And with that, let's get back to the content. I'm really excited about this. I actually bought two of these. I have not set it up yet. But what this is a light projector. Now, light projectors are nothing new. You've probably seen them before, but this particular one comes with different slides so that you can tailor your light projection for whatever the circumstance or the holiday or the condition may be. So you get one projector that does everything. So let's go over what's in the box, and I'm going to show you how this projector works. So I've got a remote control that does stuff. I've got a base if I want to just set this down on the grass. I've got a little stake so I can stake it into the grass. I don't think that this, no. So this stakes into the grass. I've got some connecting doodads. So that's mounting hardware, is all that is. A plug-in with a solid connector, and then I have this. So this is the actual projector. I'll put that there like that. But along with this projector, I get this bag full of goodies. Now, I can't show you really what these goodies are, but those of you who are old or older or somewhere around my age, you may remember those little red things that you'd stick the little wheel in and you could click through and it'd show you like a picture sequence or whatever, right? You remember those. This works on that kind of principle. So in here, these are a bunch of little discs. And all you would do is take this, undo these thumb screws here, like that, undo those. And then this slides out like that. And this was preloaded with the Christmas one. So I could put, in this case, my Valentine's Day one in here, and it just slides right back in there, just like that. And then we put the cover back on. And just like that, I'm ready for Valentine's Day. Now, it's got a pretty long cord, it seems, which is excellent. It also means that it tangles up quite nicely, which is also excellent. I don't know if you know the right way to untangle one of these. Like somebody folded this thinking that, you know, this is the way that it's gonna come undone really easily. I don't know why it doesn't. But if you know the right way, put it in the comments. Tell me, Anton, this is how you do this. So we're gonna plug this back in. It only lets you put it in one way. So it comes with this remote. There's a little tab here. It's got a battery in it. You pull that tab out. And now I'm ready to change this. So I'm gonna shine this down so you can see that there's colors there. I can change the colors. So I can say green. I can say red. And hopefully you guys can see just the color on there. And I can say blue, or I can have different combinations of the two where I have two different colors. Now, this has, I'm gonna power this up and show it to you. I'm gonna project it onto the side wall in my studio here so that you guys can see kind of what we're looking at. So as you can see, we're projecting onto the wall now, and I can change the colors. So I can change the wavy texture part from green to red or blue and have solid colors, or I can do cycling. So now you'll see green and blue, green and red. Now it'll probably go, oh, I also have white. So green and white, red and blue, white and blue, and it'll cycle through all of those. Now you can change your cycle so it just cycles through each color on its own so you don't get any mixtures of those. And you can see that you've got the Valentine's Day scene set up there. So you've got your hearts and whatever. Now I can control those. So I can stop them or start them. I can make them blink on and off. I can change the blink rate. I think I can change it all the way to where you're like having a strobing party effect. The background is very abstract. I can also change the background. I can make the background stop moving completely, and I can make the colors stop moving, or I can adjust the speed of the background. There, now I can get a solid scene. Now these are supposed to be quite clear, and I think, as you can see, if I go really close, they're pretty clear there. But the farther away I go, the less clear they are. And I can go quite far away. Now let's go back to the studio here real quick. Now these are really great, but I do have a top secret tip that will enhance your decoration game a whole lot more for just a little bit more money. So make sure you stick around for that. But for now, we want to just focus on these. Now the idea is that you're going to put this onto here and then stick it in the ground, and then just shine it at your house. Now for me, I've got a driveway in front of my house. I can't just shine it straight onto the house. So I did pick up 2 of these. And the idea for me is that I'm gonna have one on one corner of the house and one on the other corner of the house and shine it at an angle. And because I have multiple slides, so I have different festivities. So I have Christmas, for example, and I have at least 2 different slides that have Christmas pictures on them. So I can have one doing one slide, one doing the other slide, and have those projecting on the house and have the lights going around. Now this kind of takes the idea of the lasers, which I also had, but they're not very bright. These are much brighter than the lasers, so you can actually see it on the house. It covers the whole house with like this shimmery effect. It does make it look really nice when it's all lit up like that. And the beauty of it is I've got all of these slides, all of these, and they have such different themes. So I've got a Halloween theme. We've got snowflakes just for winter. I've got a birthday. So when it's someone's birthday, you throw that on, light up the house for the week of their birthday. It'd be really fun for the kids to come home and see the house all lit up in celebration of their birthday. You can run these indoors or outdoors. They are waterproof to a certain extent. They will withstand rain and snow and that sort of thing. You've got enough slides here. There's a lot of slides here that you can cover pretty much any major holiday, any major kind of celebration that you might want to celebrate. So this isn't just a Christmas decoration anymore. This is a multifunctional, celebrational decoration device, and it costs less than $50 on the Amazon store. I do have links in the description that will take you to this device so that you can buy it if you're interested in it as well. They ship really fast, and you can just set it up once, leave it all year round, and just know that you've changed the slide for the mood that you have, and bingo. So no more climbing up on the roof, no more trying to figure out which lights are burnt out on your Christmas light assortment. You just set this up and go for it. So overall, you're wondering, well, how good is this really? The build quality of this is low. It's actually quite low. I mean, it's a cheap item. They say it's waterproof. It does have this little cap on here, which is, it makes it waterproof for sure. Pulling these cards out and putting them in, there's the little spinning parabolics in there that makes it project off. Popped up a little bit on one, so I had to actually stick a butter knife in to push it down so that I could slide the card back in. So that's not unexpected because of the price and the build quality. It's plastic, the whole thing's plastic. It does get warm. It's been running in here for a couple minutes and it's warm. It's got, I have no idea how long the life of the bulb will last, and I would suspect that when the bulb burns out, you would throw this in the garbage and just get another one. Like, it's not worth it to try and figure out how to change the bulb. The cord is really long, which is nice. The mounting kit's exactly what I need. I just gotta stick it into the ground a little bit and then hold it up like that. I don't need anything fancy. So this install will take less than 5 minutes to do, and then run an extension cord across your yard So that's really easy. The effect is very nice. So I would say build quality, it's really like a 4 out of 10. It's quite low. Build quality is low. It feels cheap. However, the desired effect, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I wish it was brighter. I wish you had a focus adjustment for these slides, because as you saw, when I get close, I can get the focus right, but when I'm far away, they get blurrier. And that's just because of how the optics happen. It's through a plastic lens, so of course it's not gonna be the best. The upside of that is that it's really inexpensive. So for both of these, it was less than $100. So you remember somewhere around the middle of the video, I said that I had a really cool thing that you can add to your decorations to really step your house up to the next level. So I'm gonna show you what those are now. Now these are RGB lights, RGB LED lights, and they are also programmable, so they come with a remote control. So this is a 2-pack, it just threads on just like this. It does come with its own remote. I bought these because they said that they were 70 watt. And one of the issues that I have with multicolored LED lights such as these, they're really dim. They're not bright at all. So I got the 70 watt ones expecting that I'd be able to light like my whole driveway up orange on Halloween, or blue on Christmas, or red, or whatever, right? What I have discovered is the 70 watt portion of this is the white LED part. The multicolored are not 70 watt at all. They're actually quite dim, but they do create that extra mood, that extra effect. So I stick these in the light posts in front of my house where I can set the color to accentuate whatever's going on with the projectors. And when I don't need that, I can flip it to white, and in white, it lights up the driveway just fine. So they function as regular driveway lights the rest of the time, but when it's that special mood time, you pull this out, one remote works for both lights. If you added more lights later on, the same remote would work for more lights, but you can go and say, okay, today it's gonna be green, tomorrow it's gonna be orange, and you can change that and adjust that to coordinate with those. So those two things, having this and the projectors, makes decorating your house really easy. The total overall cost is less than $150 Canadian, probably around $100, $120 US. So you don't have to risk falling off the roof or any of that. It's a really great way to do it inexpensively. Overall, I give the effect that you're gonna get out of this a good 9 out of 10. There's better things you could do more, but with this setup alone, your house will look great. I hope that helped you out. I hope you enjoyed the reviews and tips that we shared on this channel in this video. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos over here. We do have a lot of great content in our back library, and I think you would appreciate that as well. But until next time, this has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.